So I'm quickly going to scroll and I'm going to rapid fire now this neutrophil lymphocyte ratio. It works. It's an easy test. It is cheap. If you do a CBC and you get a neutrophil lymphocyte ratio which is adverse, it clearly works. What are the predictions about Corona? Can we celebrate COVID with Diwali and Navratri? Yes, with masking, you will be able to celebrate it. Do you have cerebral thrombosis? Have comorbidities? Can it cause thrombosis? Yes, it can. That's why take antiplatelet agent like a simple aspirin and statin is good enough. For people with travel history, can we do an RT-PCR test? Is it mandatory without going through 14-day quarantine? No. I think every state has its own restrictions, and you need to do that quick and fast. But I think 7-day and 14-day quarantine have been mandated to save the lives of other people so that there is no transmission of the disease. Then, people have asked me questions about fenofibrate. Fenofibrate is a research mode. It's a good option being considered, but currently it is not standard of care. People have asked me, can you use Deflazacort? Deflazacort is another steroid. Standard of care steroid is 6 milligram dexamethasone. That is standard of care. Any equivalent dose of that, you can do that. How do you tackle carriers? Carriers are spreaders. They have asymptomatic disease. They need to do strict masking to self-protect me, but also protect others. So that's very, very important to recognize that carriers are very, very important to distance that very clearly. Then, lot of people have asked me questions about doing the HRCT and the antibody testing. HRCT is a very good tool under medical supervision. If in doubt, do it. You will get ground glass appearance. And then antibody testing. Antibody testing tells us whether you are protected or not. If you do an IgG test, it has two uses. One, it will tell you whether you are eligible to donate plasma. And second, it will tell you that whether you have any immune protection. What can the virus be transmitted through vegetables and groceries? Well, you need to clean the vegetables and groceries 3 times with water and some potassium permanganate, and it is good enough. Okay.